Hello everyone, this is TenkyBA. Today we are going to be talking about the series we are going to be posting soon. How to make your 2020 better, how to get wealthy in 2020. A lot of rush going on right now this November, and in a week time it's going to be December. So we are going to teach you how to make billions in 2020, how to get wealthy in 2020, how to make your 2020 a better one than 2019. That's what we're going to be talking on. Please stay tuned to our channels. We're going to be posting it maybe in 2 weeks time or daily. We're going to be talking about the areas to go into in business in 2020. We are still going to be talking about the power of your subconsciousness and how to know your cash flow, how to have a better financial story. So this will be coming out before 2020 so that you have a better 2020. This is 10KBM and we are wishing you a happy new year in advance. Do have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon for notifications.